Hello everyone, welcome to Sajib TV. I was searching for internet and I was having a problem about what is the difference between domain redirecting, domain forwarding, domain masking and domain mapping. So I was searching on YouTube, but I didn't get any particular on single video where I can get idea about the four talks about domain, what is domain redirecting or what is domain forwarding and what is masking and mapping. So that's why I had some research on internet and came to a conclusion that where I can make a YouTube video where I can help people regarding this. Okay, so first of all, what is domain redirecting? Domain redirecting and domain forwarding are simple. There is no difference between domain redirecting and forwarding. Just like you have a website, you have a blog or web pages where you want to send some traffic, right? So you are buying a domain, just like example.com, right? So you can redirect this example.com and forward this as example.com. As I already told you, there is no difference between redirecting and forwarding, right? So if any user, when you redirect or forward this web address to your particular pages or website, then when a user type in the URL example.com and just click, automatically the example.com will take that particular visitor into your destination pages or website or a blog, right? So but that particular user, when they click on the example.com, after the 1 second or after some time, they will see your destination website. Just like you have a blog, just like just say for example sajibtv.wordpress.com. You will see the sajibtv.wordpress.com when you will redirect a website into your particular web page or website, right? And you will see the sajibtv.wordpress.com. But when you mask a domain, just I'm going to show you. As GoDaddy, when you will log into their account and you have a domain you already purchased the domain, then you will say a forwarding option, right? Forwarding, there is a domain or forwarding option is up, but you have to turn it on by managing this. When you click there, they will show you the option where you want to redirect or forward your visitor. Then HTTP your particular website or blog, then you can only forward your visitor, right? The visitor, when they click on your website, they will see the your destination website, okay? But when you forward and masking the your example.com, right, your website for a particular your destination website, right? When you forward and masking your website, then the visitor will go to will go to sajidtv.wordpress.com, but the difference between the masking and forwarding is the visitor will show here the example.com, but when you will reading the article or your video or your post, your blog, the visitor will see the example.com here, not the sajidtv.wordpress.com. Visitor won't have any idea that he is visiting the sajidtv.wordpress.com. But when you map a domain, when you talk about redirecting and forwarding, masking, now I'm going to tell you about map a domain. I mean domain mapping, right? When you map a domain, just I already buy a domain and in the wordpress.com, because I had a blog on hugoni.wordpress.com, but I purchased a domain and map here for only $18. So you can purchase a domain from here, just like example.com. They will show you the price and everything, then how much money you will have to get to mask a domain, you have to give. Okay, so when you mask a domain, they will show you, do you want to use that particular domain as a primary domain or secondary domain, right? Here I have a blog where I'm posting my article, and this blog is hugoni.wordpress.com, but I'm writing everything in hugoni.com from here the WordPress admin panel. Okay, so when you purchase a domain, they will show you here an option that you want to make it a primary domain, just like that, primary domain. Okay, and you can make your blog as a primary domain also. Everybody will visit your website, whether it is from hugoni.com or hugoni.wordpress.com, they will see the primary domain. Okay, but the domain masking and domain mapping is different. Is when you map a domain to a particular destination site or blog, then the Google and everything index the hugoni.com, not the hugoni.wordpress.com. In every single pages of hugoni.com, just right, I can visit here. hugoni.wordpress.com, and it will take me to hugoni.com, right? When I click into the any post or any pages, okay, you can create page, you can create post. When you click on that page, they will show you the primary domain URL, right? That hugoni.com and Happy New Year. Then Google will index this particular page, and you will get visitor and you will get page rank, right? And this is the difference between domain masking and domain mapping. That's why domain mapping is will cost you some money, and domain masking is free. You can mask your domain from your user panel, where you buy from, just like you bought a domain from godaddy.com or somewhere else. Okay, the Namecheap or anything, anywhere. So that's the difference between domain masking and domain mapping. And that's why you have to pay some money. And I think when you buy a secondary domain, ad domain or something like that, then you should always make it as primary domain, because it is very helpful. People will trust you because you have a branding. You can then brand your this product, or your will have some brand value, right? Because hugoni.wordpress.com, it is a free blog. Everybody can understand, whether you are using a subdomain. But when you use a hugoni.com, it is a general site, so you can get some hype, you can get some visitor, you can get some Google page rank, and then that is a different. Okay, and if you want to map your domain into wordpress.com, then they will charge you for .com domain. They will charge you $18, almost $19. But if you have already buy a domain from other source, you can map it here by $13 maybe. Okay, and I think now you understand what is the difference between domain redirecting, what is the difference between domain forwarding, domain masking, and domain mapping. And that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, you should subscribe to my channel and like my video. Comments if you want to know anything more, and share as much as you can. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.